has an angular momentum of magnitude root over 12 h cut. When a beam of such atoms is passed through a Stern-Gallic apparatus, how many beams does it split into? ये आपका गेट 2023 का क्वेश्चन है एटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूलर फिजिक्स से. So if you have read this Stern-Gallic experiment, look, the number of splitted beam depends upon the J value of the atoms. If the atom has a J value then the beam will be split into 2J plus 1 number of components. Now in the question it is given that angular momentum J has the magnitude root over 12 h cut. So J is given to you, given J is equals to root over 12 h cut. So we know this, J into J plus 1, this is equals to root over 12 h cut. Okay, here is 1 h cut is there. So it represents J into J plus 1 is equals to 12. Now what value of J you can choose so that the multiplication will be 12. Obviously it is very obvious that if you choose J equals to 3, then it will be 3 plus 1, 4 into 3, 12. So total number of components will be 2J plus 1, that is 2 into 3 plus 1 means 7. Option B has this option 7. So the atomic beam would split into 7 components. Before I end this video, let me tell you guys, a special offer is going on for the Unacademy Plus subscription. You can take this offer by 28th of February. You can take the Unacademy Plus subscription if you are preparing for the CSIR NET Physical Science exam. You can utilize this referral code PhysicsHub PHYSICXHUB for getting the maximum benefits while taking the Unacademy Plus subscription. One subscription will give you all the 9 units of CSIR NET Physical Science and you can have your preparation done. So take the Unacademy Plus subscription today and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching a goal. Thank you. Unacademy is India's largest online teaching learning platform. You can prepare for various competitive exams like CSIR NET, GATE, JEST, IIT JAM, TFR. Especially if you are preparing for CSIR NET Physical Science, you can join me on Unacademy Plus. I cover all the 9 units of CSIR NET Physical Science syllabus. My approach is especially I precisely give you the concept of the concerned topic. Then I discuss the relevant mathematical formula and do the analysis. Relevant problem based on the topic including previous year questions are discussed. Homework and assignments are also given. This is my profile, and if you want to join my Unacademy Plus courses, you can enroll for this course. And if you are new to this Unacademy platform, you can take Unacademy Plus subscription using our referral code PhysicsHub, and Unacademy will give you 10% off. So take the Unacademy Plus subscription today and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal. Thank you.